Hello and welcome back to our channel, and today I will show you how to see who likes a post on X. So if you mean that you want to see who likes your post on X, then it's pretty simple. You have to open X application on your phone and then tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, access your profile and go to a specific post that you're interested in, that you want to check who liked it. Then tap on it to open it, and basically you have to press and hold this heart icon, and this will redirect you to post activity. So here in the section liked by, you will see every single user that liked your post, and you can scroll through this list to see who exactly interacted with your post. And that's it. It's pretty simple, and it gives you a clear view of everyone who liked a specific post. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.